CCN. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi. Well, there's only a week remaining to have your say on the industry's permit scheme. Feedback is being sought on the refrigeration and air conditioning permit scheme, as well as the fire protection permit scheme. Feedback closes on the 28th of February and covers the licence application process, compliance and training qualification requirements. Information provided will be used to improve the scheme and support their ongoing development. Daikin Industries has opened its very first air conditioning factory in Taiwan. The manufacturer has invested heavily in Asia in recent months, including China, where Daikin is establishing a major production hub. The hub is in South China and is a US $240 million investment. Daikin is in the initial phase of developing the production base, which spans 220,000 square metres. According to the China Daily News, Daikin has had operations in mainland China for the past 29 years, operating 22 production bases and multiple research centres. Despite the economic uncertainty, Daikin and other Japanese firms are doubling down on the Chinese market. Data shows Japanese companies have established over 55,000 enterprises in China at a cost of more than US $130 billion. Closer to home, Daikin Industries Indonesia completed construction of its first air conditioning factory in West Java. The 20-hectare facility was built at a cost of US $206 million. The factory is the first of its kind in Indonesia, integrating the entire production process from raw material processing through to the finished product. By mid-2025, annual capacity is expected to reach 1.5 million units per year. The plan is in early 2027. The company expects to enter the export market with the Philippines as one of its primary destinations. Okay, Honeywell has confirmed it plans to separate its automation and aerospace technology divisions to create independent companies. The planned separation, coupled with the recent announcement in the past month to spin off its advanced materials business, will be completed next year. The plan will create 3 independent publicly traded companies. Honeywell's advanced materials brand business, which includes its Solstice brand, generated US $4 billion in revenue last year. Well, that's it for our headlines this week. Thank you for watching.